You own a yoga studio. You love what you do. But you hate your software. Achieve software nirvana. fitDEGREE. Simple is in. Your studio revolves around its schedule. fitDEGREE's 3 calendar view modes grants you managerial bliss. Daily list view, weekly calendar, and monthly outlook. Creating your schedule is almost as quick and easy as viewing it. To add a class to your schedule, simply select items from the drop-downs. Then pick a date range. Next, select the time of the class. And lastly, the days of the week. Check Publish Now and click Create. Just like that, your students can register for class. Your students are never more than a tap away from your studio with the fitDEGREE app. Registering for a class is easy. Students can learn more about the class, including the instructor. Social invites allow your students to help you fill more mats. Booking a private session is easy too. Your students will only see the times when the instructor is available. When you have the information that your students need to know, you can post it to the announcement board, a fitDEGREE exclusive feature. The fitDEGREE kiosk allows students to check themselves into class. Students will pick their profile, enter their PIN, and finish registering. Everything can be done without your staff lifting a finger. Your studio makes money, and fitDEGREE stats will help you make more. Our revenue snapshot statistics shows the difference between your gross sales and how much money is in your pocket. The graph breaks down your gross sales. This is a fitDEGREE exclusive feature, the highest revenue-producing demographics. It identifies your 3 largest spending groups. Diving deeper into revenue streams gives easy access to the nitty-gritty details. Never worry about missing your target audience with an ad again. Wish you got started yesterday? Talk to a fitDEGREE team member today at www.fitdegree.com.